Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 INFINITI JX35. This one is a midnight garnet. Underneath here is a 3.5 V6 pushing at 271 horsepower and 241 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A wheat leather interior with a wood trim, sunroof, rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, rear heated seats, JX35 badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down third row seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, illuminated door sills, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, automatic transmission, heated and cooled seats. This INFINITI has 130,214 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this INFINITI JX35, check out feldmanimports.com.